Hey friends, it's Simply T again, and it is time for another battle of the beauties, y'all. In this corner, I've got Miss Ronae, okay, representing the Shear Muse texturized series. And in the next corner, I have Miss Kimora representing the Sensational Shear Muse Red Crush line. Now, how exactly does this blonde bombshell measure up to this lady in red? Well, let's check it out and let's find out. Now, I am still in my 613 phase after sharing my last super blonde synthetic wig with y'all, so I had to pick up Miss Ronae in an all blonde tone. She has your standard 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. This is an ear-to-ear frontal lace front wig, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my EBIN New York tinted lace spray in the color dark brown and just start to spray that underneath my lace to get that nice blend that I'm looking for. Ronae is from the Shear Muse texturized series. It comes with an HD lace, pre-plucked hairline, and some baby hair just for a natural density hairline look. It does come with ear-to-ear lace, so that gives you a lot of space to kind of flip her around and kind of play around with her. It is pretty lightweight, and this is a salon inspired cut and color. Now, you know how I get down when it's time to do my glueless wig installs. You always see me with the red active Wonder Lace Bond spray from EBIN New York, but this time I got a chance to try the Supreme Hold, which is their latest level of hold in this spray, and I ain't even gonna say nothing about it. I'm just gonna let you watch me install this wig with it and you be the judge. Okay, so boom, my tried and true shears are getting a little dull, and until I can actually sharpen them back to where I want them, I figured I would test out the tried and true eyebrow razor method. So you just see me kind of getting reacquainted with cutting out and carving out a hairline on this frontal wig with the eyebrow razor in a jagged motion, because nobody wants a moon-shaped hairline with a wig. Or maybe y'all do. I don't know, child. When in doubt, pull some baby hairs out. And that's exactly what I intend to do by using my 24-hour edge tamer from EBIN New York. Even when I'm not really feeling the install or the look of a wig that I'm wearing, a couple swoops of this thing will definitely bring me back to my happy place. So I'm using this a little bit in the front, using some of the baby hairs provided from this wig. All in all, I love the curls in this hair, and I'm definitely going to pick this wig style up in the other colors available if I can find them, because this is by far one of the most popular Shear Muse wigs from their line, and it's easy to see why. I'm glad I picked it up in this color and this style, and I have to say I'm definitely feeling Miss Ronae. But before I get too crazy and give the champion trophy away, let me see what Miss Kimora is talking about on this side. Now, Kimora is from the Shear Muse Red Crush line, which has been doing amazingly well this season in all of the shades of red that they have to offer in their styles. I happen to pick up Miss Kimora in Apple Red, which is one of their brighter shades of red. And like Ronae, this also comes with an ear-to-ear HD lace with baby hair combo. So the fun thing about Kimora is that it is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you want to add a little bump to it, you can go ahead and do that. Don't mind me, I'm just over here trying to blend my eyebrows with my hair for the first time, using eyeshadow, and just trying to see what all the hype is about with all the girls that like to blend their hair with their eyebrows. So I was pretty impressed, but I'm anxious to see if I'm willing to keep this up with every color I try. So let me hear what you think, friend. What's your vote for? Miss Blonde Bombshell Ronae from the Textured series from Shear Muse, or this lady in red from the Red Crush series from Shear Muse? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Which wig you like best? And maybe you like both. As always, thank you so much for clicking play, and I will see you guys here, same place, next time. Peace out.